Enter the DeepCool AS500 Plus CPU cooler. Let's open this up. We have all the power connectors for the fan, the bracket and adapters, a little bit of CPU paste here. Nice tiny little CPU paste. Very cool. So this right here is the AS500 Plus by DeepCool. And on first glance, just like with my case, it's very tiny. You might be asking yourself, is this tiny CPU cooler actually going to be able to cool that 12-core CPU? And what I found really interesting about this is that all the reviews for this very small, very slim CPU cooler is that it actually goes toe-to-toe and cools even better than Noctua's D15. From what I understand, the reason for this super cooling power on this very small CPU cooler is the configuration of its heat pipes. It just happens to sit on Ryzen CPUs in a certain way that is extremely efficient for grabbing the heat and dispersing it into your case so that you can push it off the CPU. So this is really cool. I'm really looking forward to installing this on the CPU, on the motherboard, and checking for myself if these reviews are accurate. And yeah, I'm hoping that this little CPU cooler is the CPU air cooler that can. But of course, we'll do a all-core overclock render load and find out. The fans on it are really interesting design too. 9 blades. There's a little bit of a hole in each of the blades for air to go through. Very interesting design. Let's get that out of the way. Let's keep moving forward.